And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this black Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case. Inside of this box is nothing else there. There's your case, a little included Casekoo portable phone stand to hold your phone, then a little Casekoo pamphlet, some Casekoo stickers, and last but certainly not least, a black Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case. So this has a completely frosted back, so it's got like a black tint to it, but it's frosted. And then the sides and actually around the camera module are darker black that is not frosted. Of course, you have your cutout for your USB-C port, your pin, your camera module, power button, volume rockers, everything you need in a very, very nice black Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case. And special thanks to our friends over at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Galaxy S24 Ultra clear case. Inside of this box is nothing else in there. We have the case, of course. We have a little included Casekoo portable kickstand to like hold your phone at your desk. Then a little Casekoo pamphlet here, and even some cool Casekoo stickers. And then, of course, a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra completely clear case. So this is a case that I would really like. I always like showing off my phone myself, and there's absolutely no Casekoo branding around this. No logos, no nothing, just a completely clear case with your volume rockers and power button, your entire camera cutout, USB-C port and pin, everything that you would need for your S24 Ultra in a completely crystal clear case. Just really gotta love that. And today, special thanks to our friends over at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Galaxy S24 Ultra glitter case. Inside of this is nothing else in there. The case, of course. Oh, look at that. They include a little Casekoo branded portable phone stand. So that's pretty awesome. And a little Casekoo pamphlet. And of course, some Casekoo stickers. And then a clear glitter. Look at that. Let me peel this off for you. Hopefully the camera picks this up, but this is a completely clear Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case with glitter all the way around. Of course, no, the glitter doesn't come off. It's like built in, but you got your camera cut out. Don't really see any logos anywhere. So if you like clear cases without logos, there is no branding on this one, but your cutout for your USB-C port, your pin, your volume and power buttons, everything is there. And this is just a nice glittery Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case. And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra green case. And inside of this box, nothing else there. We have, of course, the case. We have a little Casekoo branded portable phone stand and a little Casekoo pamphlet and some cool Casekoo stickers. And of course, my favorite color, a green Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case. This one has a frosted green back with a like darker green around the edges. You have your camera cutout here, your pin and speaker slash USB-C port cutout, power and volume rockers, all in a nice rubbery case that would make your phone have this nice green tint. Probably one of my favorites since green is my favorite color. And special thanks to our friends over at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Galaxy S24 Ultra purple case. Inside of this box, nothing else in there. We have, of course, our case here, then nice little branded Casekoo portable phone stand and Casekoo stickers. And of course, here is the purple Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case. I can say, I really like this purple color in person. You have the frosted purple back and then a slightly darker purple all the way around the edges and around the camera module. Your camera module cutout, your pin, speaker, and USB-C port cutout, and of course your power and volume buttons. And at the end of the day, a nice, very soft case to protect your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in a very nice purple color. I can say I genuinely like this color. Thanks again to Casekoo, who was nice enough to send these to us to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.